Yeah, you go.
Whoa! Whoa! It's like straight.
It looks awesome. What does it feel like?
I'm pretty. That's so cool.
Is it super smooth?
Yeah. I guess. I don't know.
Well, you just look beautiful. Let me see a big smile.
All right, Rosalind, now your braces are finally off. How would you say your overall experience was?
My overall experience was awesome. I was excited to get my braces on, and now I'm excited because they're off. I didn't really like the afterward part of getting the braces, but once you get used to it, it's okay.
Cool. So if you had a friend thinking about getting braces, what would you tell them? What would be a piece of advice to give them?
Wear your rubber bands. Wear your rubber bands. 100% wear your rubber bands. It takes longer if you do not wear your rubber bands.
Excellent advice. What would you say is the best part and worst part about having braces?
You can't eat all that you want. You can't eat hard things. You can eat soft things. Like ice cream.
And what about the best part?
Best part of braces. Well, I guess coming to the visits and having everyone smile.
Yeah, we like seeing you too. With braces, would you say it really hurt?
No,
Not too bad?
no.
Good. Okay. Is there anyone that you want to give a special thank you to? Who?
My Aunt Lou, because she brought me to visits and then she suggested this place. And my mom, who helped pay for it.
Awesome. Great reasons for thank yous. My last question for you, Rosalind, is now that your braces are off, you've done such a great job wearing them, what's going to be the first thing that you sink those pearly whites into?
Apples.
Apples! Good choice. Awesome. Well, we've really enjoyed having you as a patient. I can't wait to see what the future holds for you.
Okay, thank you.